Dîroka Kurdistanê, the history of one of the oldest regions in the Middle East, is a tale as rich as the earth it springs from. Kurdistan, a geocultural region in the Middle East, is predominantly home to the Kurdish people and has been the crucible of their culture, language, and national identity. 2,000 years before Christ, Indo-European tribes migrated to what is now Iran and Kurdistan. This resulted in the Armenians spreading to northern Iran and other tribes to the south. The invasion of the Aryan tribes began in the 9th century BC, culminating in their settlement of the region by the 3rd century BC. From then on, the Aryan people have lived and flourished there. The ancestors of the Kurds appeared in the 5th century BC, as noted by Xenophon in his work Anabasis. The ethnic identity of the Kurds took shape between the 2nd and 6th centuries AD. The term Kurdistan was first used in the 12th century by the Seljuk Sultan, Sultan Sanjar. In 1298, European traveler Marco Polo also used the term Kurdistan or Kurdistan. References to Kurdistan appear in Mongolian sources in the 14th century. Rashid al-Din Hamadani also used the term Kurdistan in 1318. Between the years 1567 and 1640, Malaye Tiziri described Kurdistan as follows: "I am the flower of Eden's garden. I am the nightingale of Kurdistan's night."